Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and I'm Elvis Lass here on YouTube. And today, right, it's not a tribute song to Elvis, but it's that rockabilly sound now. And it's JD McPherson. JD McPherson is amazing and I loved his stuff. I just loved his first album. I just loved it. It was so amazing and it had that rockabilly sound. It had that rock and roll vibe and it had that authentic sound and I just loved it. And although it's not a tribute to Elvis as such, it's a tribute to that sound, to that early rockabilly start. And that vibe that was just coming out of America and just going crazy and sending the world into just craziness. And I just love that JD McPherson actually has that sound now. He can capture it. It's like a little firebug, which is one of his songs, a little firebug, and he can catch it and let it soar. And I've always wanted to see JD McPherson and I hope one day I can. But I thought I want to put this on my channel because it's a tribute to that rockabilly sound. It's that, oh, it's that beginning, isn't it? So I hope you don't mind and I hope you still enjoy it, even though it's not effectively a tribute to Elvis with the song. But we've had tribute videos. So I thought this is a tribute sound to those early years. And yeah, I'm just excited to play it with you. And it was hard to pick one off the album because there's so many that I love. But I'm going to do Northside Gal because it's pretty epic. So let's get into it.
Some good talk, but not enough game. Ooh, in a sweet thing, oh, ain't it a shame? Every time I try, crazy about a Northside gal. Well, she gets colder every time I try to hold her, pleasantly saying no to all the younger gentlemen. All of them try, they're crazy about a Northside.
And that's the album at the end, Signs and Signifiers. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, it's just unbelievable. Can you imagine having that sound then in your original? Oh wow, and these guys are original. They're just such a cool rockabilly band, harkening back to the days of that rockabilly sound and that start and that potential and that change that's going to happen. And Elvis is all mixed upon it. He's all mixed in amongst it. And the catalyst for things exploding, which is just so exciting to me. And yeah, I absolutely love this song, and I love JD McPherson. I think he's brilliant. If you haven't listened to JD, please do go and get that album. I definitely recommend that album because it's insane. Insanely good. All right, thanks very much for joining me. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you on another. Bye, everyone.